So Kriega 40 dry pack 30 20. Martin the Vlogger from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, so the largest European shop for Can-Am Spider and RYKER aftermarket parts. And today's video, guys, it's for everyone. Doesn't matter if you have RYKERs or Spiders or you have a different motorcycle. Today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna unpack these Kriega Dry Bags to show you what's inside. We just came from a 1400 kilometer trip. We love it, so we add them to our shop, and I'll tell you what's good, maybe what's bad. So a little bit of review, but most importantly, you will see how different sizes look on these motorcycles. And of course, we'll apply 2022 rules on all of my videos. No bullshit around, straight to the point. So chop, chop, chop video, and no video ads. How cool is that? Now, enough of this. Let's get started. All right, before I will throw these bags on the bike so you can really compare them in the size and how they look on the bikes, let me first tell you like why Kriega, and I will unbox US30, but then we will unbox US40, so 30 liter one and 40 liter one. We will not do US20, so 20 liter bag, because it's very similar, or it's the same thing as US30. It's just a little bit more compact. Before all of this, who don't know me, if you are watching my channel for the first time, I have built my reputation on honesty, and I don't care that I'm selling them. I'm gonna tell you what I think, and take it or leave it. So why Kriega? Why we went for these bags? Why I went for these and have then tested it? Because price to performance was absolutely, or is absolutely amazing for me. The smallest one, the US20 on my shop, is around 160 euros. The largest one, the US40, it's 200 euros. For bag that is water resistant, that they say it's 10-year, that they guarantee you that for 10 years there is no water, no really like damage from external conditions to your bags. It was almost like, I think it was no-brainer. Now, also what I like about these bags is that they are fully stackable. So especially on RYKERs, you know, RYKERs, they have just one side luggage, and I have a trouble. You know, if you are going for longer distances, you need at least those 40 liters, twice 40 liters twice, to feel comfortable as a rider, you know, when you're going for 5 days or something. But what I like about it, like, you can stack them. So you can have, let's say, 40 liter bag in the middle on your back seat, and then you can drop down to 30 liters one or to 20 liter one, or you can stack them on top, because there is a plenty of like these holders and hooks, and you receive plenty of these with really like high aluminum quality hooks. All is very good. Even these plastic things, they are not really those, you know, Chinese. I mean, they are probably Chinese, but you know, it's not really like soft. It's properly like hard built to last long. As for the quality, you know, the textile is very good. And once we have tested it, I have really like, okay, this will last. 10-year guarantee. I don't know what's really in warranty, claimer or disclaimer or whatever, but I can see these bags can easily go for 5 to 7 years on your bikes. And if that's the case, for me, I don't care what's gonna happen next. I mean, I just throw it away and buy a new one, because again, let's say 180 euros for 30 liter bag. That's good for me. It's a good investment. Now these bags inside, they have that kind of, it's not rubber, it's like water resistant textile. And all of these bags, I don't know if you have been around jet skis, but in case you are going on a jet ski and you ask for a dry bag, they'll give you this roll out kind of style of the bag. I was a little bit scared if I will be able to close it in the way that there is no water coming in, but trust me, it's super easy. You just roll it, click it. Of course, when you have more stuff inside, it's gonna be packed, and it's gonna be like, you know, you're gonna tight. It's gonna hold tight. So it's all great, and these are the type of, you know, bags, water-resistant bags, like how they are built. Also, you have a lot of zippers for extra things you can throw in. You have some extra zippers right over here. You can, with you know, I will go to the US-40 and I will completely, like almost completely unpack it or show you what's inside. But you have a lot of these hooks kind of, so you can, you know, put tent on top of it or whatever you need. So yeah, I think it's quite clear, right? Now let me do US-40. Now US-40, it's tiny bit different, just tiny bit. It's US-30, it's more like a little bit higher. US-40 is a little bit wider. And of course, all of these US-30 and US-20 and also this one, you can put that, what it is, like shoulder strap or whatever, so you can just take it over with you at any moment. So what's also the difference that US-40 has this rubberish bottom, so something like anti-slippery bottom, or basically top. What's bottom? You have this rubberish kind of protector with a lot of places where you can hook the holders. So I will get on the bike and I'll show you how I have mounted the holders on the bike. They come with, I think, 4 holders for your bike. You can place them on your seat, around the seat, whatever. And you can see it's like, it's around the circle, so you can really like tie them as you like on the places that you like. On the top, again, you can rubberish protector and you can, you know, put extra bags on top, or you can put tent or whatever. Now, also the difference comparing to 20 and 30 option is that you can roll both sides. So you can roll both sides, I'm sorry. And basically you can create the bag dimension as you like. So this is very user. You don't have to use all 40 liters, that's what I'm trying to say. And again, same inside, you know. You connect it like this, it's all fine. And yeah, a lovely bag. Now, let's go on the bikes. So if I told you like you will get plenty of straps and different holders or hooks or whatever, it's plenty. And this is the thing that you can put over your back, so you can carry the bag at your back. All right, never mind. Now, how you hold them on your bike, and let's go here on a Bloody Mary. Have I told you you can rent all of these bikes in Bratislava, Slovakia? The coolest rental agency in the world. We have 4. Just visit toursontree.com. A little bit of promotion there. Good. Now, of course, different bikes, you will mount them differently. It's very versatile, so you can do whatever you want. And when we have a back seat, we have put one strap holder right over here, the other one right over there. Used to be there, it's not there. And here is the thing. What I don't like a little bit, it's my video, so I can blame somebody else, not me. But you know, actually it's correctly done. All right, so you have to put these holders with this little textile ring on whatever place of your bike, so you can hold the bag using this hook from aluminium, and you connect your bag and it holds on its place. It's all correct. The only thing that I don't like, it's like professional like bags, or not only bags, but everybody that's around climbing or whatever, you're using this kind of, you know, you put the ropes through those kind of holders or pins, and I'm super not good at it. And of course there is a manual, but I don't like manuals and I'm a little bit lazy. What I'm trying to say, if you do it wrongly, and of course the strap is very long, so I cut it. If you do it wrongly, it will start to, you know, lose, and you may lose some of them. Like I almost lost these two, so I will need to come with a different idea, like how to really properly stick them to the bike. But it's not really a matter of their design, it's just more a matter of like, I really don't understand how to put those, you know, those ropes or this kind of things in order that they will not move. I just have simply big, you know what I'm trying to say? Hopefully, yes. Now let me play some music, put the bike right over there so you can see like how different sizes look on the bike, and then we go to the final words. So guys, this is it. Hopefully the video helps you. The way I was, you know, showing you the bags, I'm not sure if it's correct, but I was always using the 3 of my XXL hoodies. So always the bags were packed the same way. As with this US20, you can still squeeze in a couple of like underwear or 1-2 t-shirts, you know, toothbrush and stuff like that. There is like still, I would say 4 liters left. US30, plenty of room left. US40, actually I think it's really like it's a big bag. So for those that likes to go wide and really like almost no compromises, US40 is the one. Guys, you know the thing, in case you like what I do, subscribe, like, you know, all of this. Watch more videos because I have plenty of how-to videos. Visit Tour Zone 3 and stay tuned because shortly I'll show you what kind of trips we are doing. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel, and remember, buy yourself, Kriega or not, always have fun.